Hello guys, welcome back to tutorial days. In this video I'm going to show you how to create YouTube channel. As you know, YouTube is one of the very popular platform where a large number of people watches video. Not only that, you can promote your business, you can promote your skill. So I will show you for beginner. This is particularly for beginners if you have not created any channel. So step by step I will show you how you can create channel into YouTube. So what you need to do first, you should have one Gmail ID, and using that Gmail ID you have to log in. For example, this is the YouTube. I have logged in here with my Gmail, so you can see here here it is showing Maqsood Alam. So what I will do, I will click on create channel. Okay, if you have not created any channel, in that case it will show you create channel. So just I'm clicking on this. Now you will be asked to write your name, so I'm writing here Maqsood Alam, and then handler. So what I'll do, since this is a business account, so I'll write here Tiles Emporium. It is saying that it's already taken, so I have to choose something else, so I will use it as UK. Okay, now you can see it is displaying here green Tiles Emporium UK. Okay, now just I'll click, will create here create channel, and also rather I can put here Tiles Emporium and then create channel. Apart from that, you can also upload your image, profile image. You can see it is displaying Tiles Emporium, and also this is the handler. Now after creating this, you can upload the image here. It is saying that okay, so create, that means you can upload the video. But before that we have to customize this channel. So how to do that? You can see the option here, customize channel. There are different other options also. For example, if you want to directly upload video, then you can upload the video from here and go live, but there is some limitations. Unless you verify this account, there is some limitations in this. But before that, let's do one thing, customize the channel. So click on this customize channel, and then you will be redirected to another page with various options. Okay, so what you need to do, you have to upload one good banner. The banner size should be 2048, and the height will be 1152, and here profile picture and name, of course, here, and handler once again it is displaying, and then a brief description, and add language, a different language if you want to. This is the channel name, and if you want to provide links, for example, to your website or other channel, then you can provide link here as well. And if you want to provide here watermark on the videos or photos, then you can upload here watermark as well. So let's start one by one. First, what you need to do, you have to create one banner, good banner with this size. So I will create one banner. I'll open here Photoshop. In the Photoshop, I'll go to file, new, and here you can see pixels and then width and height. In case Photoshop is not installed, don't worry. What you can do, you can go here and then Photopea. There is one free software which is similar to Photoshop. It doesn't have that much facility as the Photoshop provide, but it is enough for free users. Click on Photopea, and then you can create just like this. There are different size, you can see already provided. Facebook page, FB event, YouTube profile, YouTube thumbnail, and YouTube cover. You can see here already it has been given here the size. So selecting this, This is the size. You can see it is already provided here, and then now you can click on create. But I prefer Photoshop, but I just wanted to show you that apart from Photoshop there is also the option where you can create your banner. Okay, so you can try. There are different videos as well in this Photopea. So this is the free version. You don't have to install anything else. Now what I'll do, I'll go to Photoshop, and then here the size, let me see what is the size they're asking for. 2048, or this size is also good. This is for particularly larger TV, so let's better. But what YouTube saying, so better take this one only, because who knows better than this. Width will be this, and height we will take how much? 1152, 1152. Alright, now click on OK. So this is basically our banner. Now we will take some photos. Okay, so finally I have created something like this. If you want, you can of course create better. So now I will save it. Alright, now let's go to the channel and then click on upload. So I'll select this Tiles Emporium, this one, right? Okay, it is displaying you here visual on TV. That means the complete this one, and visual on desktop. In the desktop it will be visual this section, and on all devices it will be visible this section. So that means what we have to do, this logo and this one also we must keep inside this area so that it will be visible to all the devices. Understand? This area means your main material should be within this area so that it will be visible in mobile, other devices also. So what I will do, I will take one print screen so that I can adjust the content within that area. Okay, I will select this area and then go to Photoshop. I'll put here okay. So within this area I have to adjust, right? Okay, so I have adjusted this, and now I will try it again. Cancel, upload. Now you can see it is visible in all devices. Okay, alright, so now I will click on done. Yes, now you can see it is visible here. Oh, what happened? This Tiles Emporium is still visible there? No. Okay, it is displaying different devices. You can see it is displaying in TV and a desktop and in mobile device. Now this you have to upload the logo here, so I'll upload here logo as well. This is the website. I will download logo from here, so let me download this. So is there any specific logo size here as well? It says The logo size should be okay 98 by 98. So once again let's go to here and 98 by 98. So you have to adjust within this. Now let's save it. Now let's get back here and then upload. Okay, so you can see exactly now it is fitting. Now click on here, you can see perfectly it got fitted. And now here you can put here Tiles Emporium, which is correct in my case. And this handle also which we had already written there. Now description you can write up to 1000 characters, so don't miss this, write this carefully. So what I will do, I'll go here and then simply go to ChatGPT. You can write. You have to feed something. Oh, 1000 it should have been actually. Now I will go here and then okay, so it is 14 collections designers. Still there is few more characters. I'll remove to here. Now it's fine. Okay, now publish. After publishing, let's click on view channel and see how does it look like. Okay, this banner will come later, and here you can see logo has been changed successfully. It takes some time, so you have to wait. Now you can see it has been successfully published. Now again click on customize channel. And then home tab. Here you can add different sections like popular videos. Since we don't have any video, that is why for the time being, but you can adjust this. This is being given already there. You can customize the layout. Now click on go to channel since it doesn't have anything, that is why, or else it will show you popular videos and all that. So this way guys, you can customize and create your own channel successfully. So guys, in this video that's it. In further video of YouTube, I will bring such useful more video. So in case you have not subscribed the channel, then please subscribe the channel and also write your comment in YouTube. Thank you.